Ay guys, kumpleto na sila. Wakas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sabi guys.
Bakit?
Sino ang tumatawag? Boss? Boss? Ano yan?
Happy trip. Hindi.
Ano yan?
Papadalo ko yun, di ba? Pupunta kang Canada.
Oo.
Pagbalik mo, paltan mo ng snow to.
Ano to? Yellow?
Paltan mo ng snow.
Wala?
Paltan mo ng snow.
Ano snow?
Oo.
Napakano naman na touch naman ako.
Papadala saan dapat hindi malulusaw pagdating mo ng
Huh?
Canada. Ha? Para pag inom ka doon.
Para 3 kilo pa yata to.
Bossing ha.
Sige, thank you ha.
Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. See you after 5 years ha.
5 years?
Oo.
1 year lang.
8.5 na.
Sige.
8.5 na.
Sige.
Sige, salamat.
A few moments later.
Always I remember your bad dress and how you turned my mind completely into such a mess so easily. And it really came as no surprise. You look beyond comparing every time that I came close to making a move. I froze. I always do that, and I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel so you know it. 'Cause I would know just what to say. If only I was some kind of poet.
Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Regina. Woohoo! Sa wakas! Hintayin lang natin yung service natin. Boss Jeff! Boss Jeff! Thank you ha! Ang tagal lang natin, sundo. Bella, ano nangyari? Ha? Nangyari?
Baka nagbibiyahe pa.
Ha?
Baka nagbibiyahe pa.
Kala. SCCII oh. Hello, madam. How are you po?
Dapat kayo binibidyohan.
Another one.
Tama rin na po pala.
Aray ko.